Are you going, Walker? So we got this here 1980 Toyota Corolla, and she didn't want to start. Should we give them like a test walk? We will slam it eventually, but
make it to the shop.
Yeah, when we make it to the shop, we will slam it. I'm just tightening down this flippin' darn filter. We have managed to get the poop coop going. Yippee! Daniel, meow meow. Meow meow. Meow meow. Daniel. Meow meow. God, why do I buy this junk? Alright, well, oh, these claws are deep. Today, we got poop coop. Oh, meow meow. Dude, these claws are so deep in me. We got poop coop, and we're slamming it. We made it to the shop. That was a bit of a... Ow! Okay, Daniel, you gotta go down. Dude, ow! Ow! It's in my skin. It's not even... Daniel, get your claw out of me, please!
Do you want some help? I mean, I'm just gonna here recording
okay,
you.
Got it. Ow! 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 No, not the Crasher shirt. This is fresh. You ready to take the back? The back?
Oh yeah, look at that. You see, guess who designed that? Yeah.
Shut up. For some reason, this mobile, when it gets warm, does not want to start. Don't know why. Don't know how. You guys want to see what's under the hood here? We got the old 3TC carburetor. I don't know how to work on carburetors. But I want all my cars carbureted. Daniel, gee, that's probably whatever. I don't know how to work on carburetors. Never had a carbureted car, but I want all my cars carbureted.
You'll figure it out. Don't worry.
Probably figured. I just put these onto the house because one of them was ripped.
You're such a fucking racer, dude.
I told you I wanted black ones. Daniel, meow meow, get out of there. It's hot. Hey. Meow meow. I'm trying, buddy. I can't hold this one all day. How low we can really go. It's got quite a bit of suspension travel. You could tell.
I think it's just fat.
Alright, fuck off.
It needs to go a lot lower.
Yeah?
A lot.
Well, we're sitting on tire right there, so.
Well, we got the roller for a reason, and there's nothing left of the rear quarter, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah. $300 car, $3,000 wheels. I don't actually know how much they're worth. Fronts are 14 by 8, 0, rear is 14 by 8.5, minus...
Daniel, I can't do this. Daniel.
The front,
Trying to get clips, but it didn't get it.
14 by 8.5, minus 10. Brand spanking new SSR Mark IIs that somehow, I haven't even driven this car on them. And somehow, where was the bend?
On that wheel somewhere. You also curved the inside of that wheel too.
Alright, shut up.
And
Yeah,
here.
that one's
here.
bad.
And here.
Okay, well somehow, did someone take a crowbar to these? They're brand new and somehow it's already pooched. Yeah. And right there is pooched.
But he can't drive.
Awesome. I haven't driven it.
Probably out of focus that entire time.
No, it's not. I made it stayed in focus. I don't know, we need better quality Crasher content for you guys in focus. But, and we got a chill guy. Sick. We'll get to slamming her on her nuts.
Let's just show them how rusty it is under here. They can't even see. Can't really see, I guess.
No. The jack does not have a pipe ball in it.
Nice bald spot.
Fuck you. Stop zooming in on my bald spot. My girlfriend's gonna get mad.
Yeah, we're off the ground, buddy. You don't gotta go much higher.
Yeah, we do, because the suspension droop is absurd, Walker.
Shit, you're right. I forgot about that.
We're working on 80s Toyota.
Crusty.
Holy shit. Lovely.
That's crunchy.
Back her off a little bit. Cut all this out.
Where's the fun in that?
For anybody that's hanging on cut springs, does it look like I give a fuck? Daniel, you gotta get out of here. Buddy, you're gonna get light on fucking fire.
Come on. Come here. Come here.
Not care. Water Walker, what's up there? Cut spring number 2 down. That one went a lot better, so we're doing a lot less of a little bitch.
Aren't you always a bitch?
Fuck you.
Oh, did you cut the spring? I was too focused on Daniel.
I thought his spring's been cut.
Oh.
Now
Shit.
let's put the wheels on and jack it up. Let's put one wheel on that side and jack it up and see how it goes.
Are we gonna hit the bump stops?
I don't know how low is it.
Well, you're not even tucking tire.
I'm not. That's max jack. Damn.
Got more.
You think?
Yeah. I mean, how close are you? How much room we got to play with? Yeah.
Could cut her a little more. Jack does not work.
She's a lot lower now. Huh? She's a lot lower now.
I told you. And we are sitting on. No, we aren't. That's bump stop. Okay. So it might not rub that much. Let me test the bump stop check. Oh, this one's gonna get more play. It might rub. I know, you should be good.
By the way, I just want to point out I ruled this fender.
Well, that's why it's fucking rubbing.
No, rubbing.
I barely have a finger in there. What are you doing? Meow meow. Meow meow. Meow meow. Meow meow. Now we do the front.
I don't want to do the front. Oh yeah, did you show them what I bought from you? Because
The TRD spring. Walker trying to figure out how to use the door handle.
dude, it's you have to
Dude,
push
it's
down.
fine.
It's 3 coils cut TRD springs.
Those are cut already?
Oh yeah. No,
Oh.
they're cut, buddy. 3 coils cut.
Holy shit. Alright. Well, maybe I can. How to strip a bolt royale right here. It actually came out. No, see they welded.
Oh yeah, right.
That's
They're
like
like
on my
mine. You just
press-
yeah, I cut a slit in my 8.6 and then just kind of bent the metal around it.
I just cut them off completely. I don't think that thing will really work. I think I flinched. Fuck. Maybe you're not beat enough to try. Are you ready?
Yeah, I just started recording.
I think the fender liner was holding my finger onto that. Okay. Okay. Dude, what is your issue? Meow meow, what the fuck are you doing? Drop it.
They ain't seated whatsoever.
I know.
Whatever, it's gonna be pimp. Oh my. Holy.
That was It actually matches pretty fucking good.
That's crazy.
Holy shit.
Oh my.
We're not hitting there. Well, she's fucking low. Pretty fucking hot.